There are many YouTube videos that cover the mechanics of growing your YouTube channel. Lighting, camera angle, great thumbnails, high-quality content, choosing the best niche, attention-grabbing titles, and the many gadgets and technologies related to making your videos the best they can be. These are all important and should never be ignored or trivialized. However, I have found over the years that the biggest obstacle in achieving success in any endeavor is a mindset issue more than a technology or mechanical one. I used to play tennis competitively, and I remember playing against an opponent in college. He had a really nice set of equipment, very expensive tennis rackets, matching attire, great tennis bag, top-of-the-line tennis shoes, and even matching head and wristbands. I didn't know back then, but I thought that because his equipment was so nice, he must be a great player. Once the game began, I quickly realized that his skill level was not as high as I assumed. He got frustrated early and lost the match by a fairly large margin. It wasn't that my skills were so much higher than his. His mindset lacked toughness. The same is true of YouTube success. I shared in a previous video that I purposely started this new channel to practice what I preach about YouTube success. It's easy for a mega successful YouTuber to tout his or her success, but I thought it'd be more helpful to start a channel from scratch just as you would, or have. Any new channel has its discouraging moments, more like discouraging seasons. Often long seasons of few views and very slow growth. But know that every single YouTuber who is successful today has experienced this. Mr. Beast, perhaps the most successful YouTuber in the world, made literally over 1,000 videos before he finally achieved success. Many YouTubers talk about making videos for 3 straight years before gaining traction. But with lessons learned from successful channels by successful creators, we don't have to take that long, but success will probably still take longer than you think. The biggest obstacle to YouTube success, or success in almost everything in life, is our ability to persist when things don't seem to be progressing. In order to do that though, you really have to love what you do and be hungry. So the question you have to ask yourself about your YouTube channel is, are you willing to persist and learn until this works? Will you keep uploading on a consistent regular schedule regardless of how many views or subscribers you get? Do you have the tough, never give up mindset that is required? This is exactly the mindset that you will need in order to have any chance at experiencing success as a YouTube creator. I'm sorry if this sounds discouraging, but that's not my intention. My purpose in this video is to be totally honest with you and ask you to consider the cost before continuing your journey. You don't have to be the smartest or most tech-savvy person to be successful on YouTube. You just need average intelligence with an extraordinary will to succeed, and never give up until you reach your goals. One last thing. Some people want, and need to get there faster. They may not have the time to grind for years before they make it. They are even willing to pay to learn how to do it much more quickly. If that's you, please listen to the following. If you have the will and the means, the quickest way to YouTube success is to learn from a YouTube master who has already done what you want to do. Matt Parr has over 10 hugely successful YouTube channels and offers what I believe is the best course on how to make money on YouTube. There's a link in the description you can check out. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video.